Do you ever look at other people's lives and think, I am not good enough? If so, this podcast is for you. Hello, and a very warm welcome to English Podcast for Beginners, a place for friendly voices and simple, useful English. I'm your host, Lovely, and it's so nice to have you here. Today, we are talking about a very important topic: how to stop comparing yourself to others and how to be happy with who you are. It's a simple idea, but it can be difficult to do. So please stay with me. I think you will find it helpful. Let's talk about that feeling. You know the one. You look at a friend or maybe a person on a screen. You see their job, their clothes, their happy photos. Then you look at your own life and think, I want their life. Or, why is my life not like that? This feeling is called comparison. And when we compare ourselves to others, it often makes us feel sad and unhappy. It takes away our joy. But here is a very important thing to remember. When you compare yourself to others, you are not seeing the whole picture. You are only seeing their highlight reel, the best moments of their life. You do not see their problems or their difficult days. Everyone has problems. Everyone. The person you admire has problems too. So, what can we do? How can we stop this habit? Here are 3 simple ideas. First, focus on yourself. Your life is your own path. It is not the same as anyone else's. You have your own skills, your own talents, and your own story. Think about what you are good at. Maybe you are a kind friend. Maybe you are good at cooking. And you are learning English. That is a wonderful talent. Appreciate your own progress. Look at how far you have come, not just how far you have to go. Second, practice gratitude. Gratitude simply means saying thank you for the good things in your life. Every day, try to think of 3 things you are thankful for. You can be thankful for your health, your family, a sunny day, or a good meal. When you are grateful, you start to see the good in your own life, and you spend less time looking at others. And finally, be kind to yourself. Talk to yourself like you would talk to a good friend. If a friend feels sad, you are kind to them, right? You say, it's okay, you are good enough. So say the same kind words to yourself. You are doing your best, and your best is enough. Let me repeat those 3 ideas simply. 1. Focus on your own journey. 2. Practice gratitude. 3. Be kind to yourself. So, the next time you feel that sad feeling of comparison, I want you to stop. Take a breath. Remember, you are only seeing a small part of another person's life. Then turn your eyes back to your own life. See the good there. See your own strengths and your own progress. You are a unique person. There is only one you in this world, and that is your power. You do not need to be like anyone else. Your journey is beautiful because it is yours. Thank you so much for listening. This was not a lesson about grammar, but a lesson about life, and I truly hope it helps you. Be gentle with yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember to be happy with who you are.